I was not a developer. I didn't come to Bitcoin with a technical background. In my early days exploring Bitcoin, I made many mistakes, but I stuck with it.
I'm going to be taking a look at a local Bitcoin ATM. Today, I would like to talk about Bitcoin hardware wallets, how to run a Bitcoin node,
and developed my skills over time. You also may not be technically inclined.
What tips and tricks do you have for anybody new?
You may at times find Bitcoin overwhelming or scary. What if you screw up? What if you miss something? What if you lose it all?
Oh, hey, right.
Still, you persevere, and with a little guidance, you make some ground.
What are you about to do?
I'm about to buy a beer with Bitcoin.
Also, this is the best.
There's the beer.
Through your proof of work, you become resilient.
Please start the work because it will not go unnoticed. It's important to be done.
We have been here for 10 years.
All right, let's welcome to the stage.
Over 20 million people educated on freedom money. We are here because of you, and you have made us your home to use, master, and live Bitcoin. For the driven, for the sovereign, for the ones who refuse to be told what to do. I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and
This is your.
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 This is your. This is your.
This is your.
This is your.
This is your.
This is your.
This is your.
This is your.
This is your.
This is your.
This is your.
This is your.
This is your.
This is your.
This is your.
This is your. This is your.
And this.
This.
this is your daily session. You know the world is heading down a dark path. Online censorship, central bank digital currencies, a complete loss of privacy, and it's only accelerating. Most people are falling behind with the latest technology, and those that aren't are sacrificing their data, their control, and their dignity just to keep up. That doesn't have to be you. Here, you'll have everything you need to break free. Over the past decade, I've helped 20 million people take control of their money, their data, and their digital lives. Now, I'm bringing everything I've learned to one place. Sovereign Sessions is your home to learn, master, and live freedom tech. Bitcoin, AI, private communications, self-hosted tools, everything. Each week, I'll walk you through step by step with the most critical tools that put you back in charge. Don't ask permission, take control. Welcome to the Sovereign Sessions.